to do when uploading your video is creating a thumbnail and choosing the title. Now, we're just going to run through this quickly just so that I can make sure that you understand every step of the process. Now, the first thing you want to do is understand the title of your video. Now, this can be done, of course, before you choose the topic.
Be shared with the public, but then it'll turn your voice into AI. Or you could select clear American voice, California accent, New York accent. There's so many different choices, old husky British voice, and then you could go different speaker choices and see which one you like. And you could select if you want a watermark or not, your music.
Add subtitles, click generate right there, and it will add subtitles for the entire video automatically. And there we go. As you can see, the subtitles are now there. So I'm now happy with the video that I've generated. It is time to download the video. In order to export it, you need to click right